Welcome to Geese 4x4, the most budget-friendly off-road channel in all of the YouTubes. And today we are going to talk about what I do to clean when I get back from a trip. Obviously budget stuff. I'm going to show you guys. I just got a foam cannon, and I'm going to show you the pressure washer I use, and I'm just going to show you the kind of the things that I go through. The Jeep, so first off, don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Hit the like button, come on. The Jeep obviously is not super dirty. I'll get out of the way because there's a picture. I'm going to put it right in here. Ta-da! I ran the Jeep through an automatic car wash because we have bottom sprayers up here, and I wanted to get the bottom sprayed off because there's lots of mud on it, as you guys saw from the picture. And so I wanted to start with that. There's definitely still mud around it, and so today I'm getting the pressure washer out, and we are going to get the rest of that cleaned off. So put the GoPro on the edge of the pressure washer. Hopefully that turns out cool footage for you guys, and we'll show you what we hit. Let's get to it. Alright, so I'm just using a Ryobi electric pressure washer. Thing works great. And then I bought a kit that came with 5 ends and the foam cannon. I'm going to post a link to the foam cannon for you guys. You can see my GoPro on there. This is the foam cannon here that I got on Amazon. I think it was 20 bucks. It works great. And it came with these ends plus the green one that's on the thing. And then I'm using this Mr. Pink chemical, guys. Really impressed with it. Super foamy. Yeah, so let's get to washing here and see if we can't get some more mud off and things like that. So we'll walk around really quick and show you guys what we're dealing with, and then we'll get the pressure washer out. Got some scratches and stuff. We might show you guys what I do with those too, but we'll see. So still some mud on the wheels. Definitely mud in the fender wells. Hopefully the camera adjusts to that. We'll see what this looks like. Mud on the fenders, fender well, wheel, all the good stuff. So let's get cracking here. can tell. And this is the concoction part of it. So literally it takes a couple ounces, so it's like half of one of these marks on this side. You fill the rest of it with warm water, and that's how you make the foam for the foam cannon. So I'm going to fill it up with warm water, and we'll get you back on the pressure washer. you probably noticed that I came through and did 2 passes with soap, and I do that because I scrub with a sponge off in the first pass of soap. And so I just take a wet sponge, wipe it all down, and do it that way. The other thing I was going to add is this one pass water blade. I don't remember exactly what these things are called. There's essentially a squeegee, but it's flexible, and so you can do the contours of the body, and you just pull off a lot of the water, and then you can dry it off, and you don't have a lot less water spots. So I like to wash them right after I go on a wheeling trip, because then I can find stuff that I otherwise didn't see. So actually looks like I nicked this fender flare on a tree just a little bit. You can't even hardly tell, but other than that, it's not too bad. There's a couple of deep scratches, and what I do for those is I get some Mother's Cleaner wax, and you can see it right there, Mother's Cleaner wax, and I just wax them, and 9 times out of 10 I get rid of them. So yeah, anyway, that's exactly what I do just about every time I get back from a trip to wash the Jeep. Sometimes I just throw it through the car wash, but I like to hand wash it so that I can see exactly everything that might need to fix, might need to work on, and hand washing to me is the best way to see that. So I'm going to put links down below to everything I showed you, the squeegee deal, the foam cannon. If I can find that Ryobi pressure washer, I've had that thing for years on Amazon. I'll put a link down below for that too, and of course the Mr. Pink Chemical Guys stuff. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Links down below to merchandise that says Geeks 4x4, cool stuff. So anyway, thanks for watching. We will see you next time.